going to do? What's this going to happen? But it changed a lot. And I can promise you one thing, Linxela will make a history in network marketing. What we are doing in this industry, no one is doing in this industry. How many of you ever heard that you can buy a fractional ownership in properties in network marketing? You haven't, I haven't. So when we created this plan, that's what we thought, what can we do which we as a company don't come into liability? And I can tell you the hardest thing I've done in my life is actually starting a network marketing company. If you think it's a very rewarding industry, it's very rewarding to make money, but trust me, the stress that comes with it is unbelievable. Networkers make a lot more money than the founders in network industry can do. Trust me when I say this. Maybe you don't believe it. I can show you that. Networkers make a lot more money than the founders do. Why? Because they are out there on the field and grinding.